It's been a disappointing year for Indian equity markets.
Absolutely. The broader market's taking a beating, both the mid-cap index, the small-cap index, all of them down over 1.5%.
Where do we go from here and what does 2026 look like? We have Kalpin Parekh of DSP Mutual Fund here with us. So how does one manage their fear in a market like this?
One biggest learning I have had after the first 10 years of doing bad investing myself is to kill the senses which receive these stories. Is to just say that what is my job? My job is to collect units every month because my salary is coming every month. Every month if I invest, if markets fall, my NAVs will fall. I'll get more units. So in 2008 is when I realized that you should celebrate falling markets, not celebrate rising markets.
So tell me, if someone is an investor in this market for the long term, what are the mistakes that one should avoid making?
I'll not chase something which is hot today. What has become very popular generally will not be profitable because what has become very popular gets overpriced. So the biggest mistake to avoid is to not chase blindly only because last 1 year return is very high. Every asset class which earns higher return also in phases will take away those returns. Don't buy narratives and stories, which is nice to hear. What is nice to hear, what is interesting to hear becomes the narrative, becomes part of all WhatsApp group messages every day.
You folks have an offshore fund from GIFT City now. Tell me a little bit more about it. Like, why should I invest in international funds?
So there are many business models which are today not available in India. These are business models where life may shut down without them. They have created that type of presence in day-to-day lives by building or by designing business models which are very difficult to replicate. So sometimes you get great businesses at reasonably cheap valuations.
Any major regrets that you have in your investment journey or in your life journey overall?
The only regret is